I wanted to work the World Juniors forever. It's been a dream of mine.
The cancellation of the World Juniors not only impacting the players, but also those working behind the scenes to make the event happen. Ahead, the loss felt by those involved.
I think it's a great idea to do a dry month.
Addiction to drug and alcohol has been on the rise due to the stress and isolation of the pandemic. As we enter a fifth wave and a new year, experts are recommending finding better coping mechanisms and giving the bottle a break.
What we've seen essentially is 10 to 20% of people in the general population saying they're drinking more frequently and larger amounts of alcohol because of pandemic-related stress. From the start of the pandemic, a condition called alcohol hepatitis has increased by 90%.
Alarming stats like this are becoming all too common. According to the substance use surveillance data from the Alberta government, substance-related deaths continue to trend upwards as the pandemic rages on.
We have seen an increase in some mental health issues. We've seen more isolation, more bereavement, more uncertainty, and people are coping often with substances because of that.
One Calgary nonprofit is advocating taking a break from drugs and alcohol for the month of January. The Boring Little Girls Club, an organization that supports having fun without substances, is launching their third annual Try Dry Sober January fundraiser.
The Boring Little Girls Club is asking folks who are not sober to give up alcohol and drugs, not including medication, for the month of January.
Your sobriety could raise funds for a good cause, with all proceeds going to the dope team.
They're out there assisting folks who need help navigating shelter, medical services, housing, and other programs and resources.
Dr. Todd thinks trying dry is a great idea.
And there's the physical benefits, of course, of not using substances for a month, not drinking alcohol, for an example. I also see that it gives you a period of time where you are not relying on a chemical to help you deal with some of those negative emotions, and you can deal with them in a more natural and sustainable way.
Even just an opportunity to have a reset, to just step out of whatever your habits are.
For those hoping to try dry for the month of January, register at boringlittlegirlsclub.ca before January 5th. In Calgary, Jasmine Vickaryous, City News.